this is Sheetal and welcome back to our channel.
What, bro? You're not even waiting for me.
Then what should I do? I'm super excited for this video.
Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be like super fun because
Yes.
this is not the usual kind of video we usually do on the channel.
I am super excited for this one.
Exactly, because we're gonna unbox some gifts in this video. Yeah, thing is guys, ROG has sent us some special gifts over here. You see these huge boxes, two of these boxes, these are gifts from the brand.
Yeah.
And I'm like confused, like कुछ occasion तो नहीं है, festival भी नहीं है. There's
But
no-
yeah, recently it was my birthday. So
No, I don't think these are birthday gifts. But anyways, I'm like super excited to see what the brand has sent us actually.
yeah. And who doesn't like gifts?
Yeah, so I thought that too, they're not like small gifts now, they're big boxes. So I also wanted to show you people like what's inside these packages. It's like a complete mystery unboxing stuff happening right now. Anyways, why don't we get started with the unboxing?
Yes.
So which one should we start with? The big one, right?
Okay, the big one.
Yeah, this is some
This
sort
is
of...
actually cute. I love the packaging.
And by the way, you might ask like, how did we know this is from ROG? Well, the packaging said that it was a special gift to Vimal Chintapatla from ROG.
Yes.
And I had to tear the packaging because it had my address on it. So inside that now we got this wooden suitcase kind of stuff and we
It's
still
kinda
didn't open it. Yeah. And this was the other second
Let's
package.
wait for this one.
Yeah, we got the second package with that. Anyways, why don't you hold this, Sheetal? Let's see if any of you actually can guess what's inside this package.
Why don't you guys just comment?
Yeah, please do
We'll
that.
see who guesses
Now
it right.
my question is there some sort of tech product or maybe some new product from their lineup? That is what I'm curious. Or is it some sort of general chocolates and these sort of stuff?
Ooh, I love chocolates.
I hope so. We got some edibles
I
inside.
hope we get both tech and food.
Yeah, that would actually be fun. And guys, here we go.
Ta-da!
What is this?
Ooh.
Looks like we got a lot of stuff actually.
Yeah.
And there's also some paper note at the top side.
There's some invite.
Yeah, exactly.
So what's
This is
this
some
about?
sort of invite, guys, from ROG. Okay, so this is actually an invite for their upcoming event happening this weekend, guys. So ROG is actually planning a special gaming tournament in India, where they've selected like special media people, best of the best in India, and these people will be like competing with each other, and the winner will be selected at the end. So it's like a fun gaming tournament the brand has organized. It's something special, guys, and they say that I am also chosen for this gaming tournament.
Oh my god.
ROG did tell me about this tournament like many weeks ago and I actually forgot about that. So I guess this invite is for that only.
So is
Very
it
excited for this.
Valorant game?
Yes, it says over here that, let me just show you the invite so you can actually read what's happening over here. As you can see, the tournament will be based on Valorant game, guys, and I'm like super excited.
I've played this game.
Yeah. Acha, theek hai, now ka gift part.
Yeah.
Oh, what is this?
What's this box?
Yeah, what is this box? There is one more box in the package.
I hope there's a cake in it.
Cake? Why would they send us cake? I think this is some sort of maybe something related to the tournament. Why would they send something else?
Oh. Okay.
This is a mug, a coffee mug. Oh wow. Guys, look at this.
It's so cute.
It's an ROG gaming mug.
It's good.
Very
Black
nice.
color.
But where is RGB? I'm just kidding. Very
It's
beautiful looking mug. Black and red. Chalo, one mug, keeping that aside. Okay, there's one more box over here. Now what is this?
Now what is this?
What
let
do you
me
think?
guess.
Is it umbrella?
Umbrella? No.
Okay, no, not an umbrella. This is a gaming mouse pad.
Wow,
Oh, wow.
it's cute. I think
Oh,
I'm
wow.
gonna use this.
Look at this. It looks
Small and cute.
beautiful, right?
Yeah.
I love the ROG theme, black with this ROG eye in red.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Nice quality also. Keep this aside, na? We've got a lot of more stuff also in the package.
What's this?
Oh, the brand has also sent us some clothing apparel.
I'm gonna steal this now.
Looks awesome. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly wear this jacket and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay guys, so this is how the jacket looks like. What do you think?
It's good.
I actually like the color combination, black and grey, and you got the whole ROG branding, and look at the back side. This looks so awesome, right?
Yeah.
very nice, and also they've got the perfect fit for me, medium size. I was thinking that it might be a bit large, but perfect hat. Okay, so this was the jacket, and we've got, oh, there's also a bag. They also sent us a special gaming bag in the package. I think they want me to come fully prepared to the gaming tournament in their ROG, gear. Okay, so we've got a brand new ROG gaming bag.
Yeah.
Nice. Acha hai, nahi?
Huh.
Very nice. Look at this. So some pretty useful stuff. Thank you ROG for sending all of this. I really like them. Keeping this aside, and that is it, guys. That was the contents of this package
That was
one.
gift number 1.
Yeah, and we still have one more package to go. Now I think this is something you should do because the whole package looks something different.
It does match my outfit.
Yeah, and it's also very compact, right? I have to say this box is very nice.
I'm gonna use it.
Yeah, open it, na?
Okay. Oh, this is what I wanted.
ROG has also sent us some food stuff over here. There's also one more box. What is? Acha,
I guess these are
cookies.
I can see them.
Choco chip cookies.
Why don't you give them a closer look?
Guys, there you go. ROG cookies. ROG is also making cookies now. I wish I could, send these to you people also. But unfortunately, you can't grab it from the video. Chalo, keeping that aside, they've sent us
One Pringles
a
box.
Pringles ka box. And what is this?
These are some almonds.
Package of almonds. And some ROG stickers. Some ROG stickers in the package. And a sports drink, Gatorade. And that is pretty much it, guys.
That's it.
Yeah, some food stuff over here with a nice basket.
So this is mine now.
Yeah, I thought I would be getting something like, gaming mouse or keyboard, something to prepare us with the gaming tournament, but unfortunately we got some food stuff. But okay, okay, this is also good because, while gaming we can have some fun session with the snacks. But I have to say I like the jacket, guys, ROG, because this is something limited edition. Now you can't buy this anywhere.
I'm definitely gonna steal this from him.
Something exclusive and looks pretty nice on me also. Anyway, so I'm like really glad getting all these. Thank you ROG again for sending these. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. This was like a short video on what ROG has sent us and explaining about the showdown. So let me know if you actually want to see a video on the showdown, gaming tournament also happening this Sunday. We'll be competing against like top media people in India. Let's see how many of you can guess like who other people are also there in this gaming tournament. And I'll also keep updating about this tournament on my social media. So make sure to follow us over there also. And that is pretty much it, guys. If you all enjoyed watching this video and had fun, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And we'll see you all in our next one.
Bye.